Good morning, students. Today topic is business maths lesson number 2 integral calculus ex number 2.4 and 2.5 ordinary integration and integration by parts. Ordinary integration means integrate, apply the formula only, we get answer. Integration by parts means integral u dv format is equal to u dv uv minus integral v du. This is formula. First is u, integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. This is integration by parts. One is application of formula. For example, integral x square is given. X square dx is equal to x power 3 by 3 plus integral constant c. Number 2, using the formula integration by parts. Integration by parts, formula u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Now we are going to take ex number 2.4 ordinary integration. Integrate ex number 2.4. Integrate the following with respect to x. Number 1, 2 cos x minus 3 sin x plus 4 secant cube x minus 5 cosecant square x. Let I is equal to integral 2 cos x minus 3 sin x plus 4 secant cube x minus 5 cosecant square x of dx. Now separate integral 2 into cos x dx minus 3 into sin x dx plus 4 integral secant cube x dx minus 5 cosecant square x dx. We know that cos x integral formula is sin x. So integrating cos x we get sin x to sin x minus 3 sin x integration is minus cos x plus 4 into secant square x. Secant square x differentiation is secant square x or cube x. Secant square x. Secant square x differentiation is tan x minus 5 into cosecant square x means minus cot x plus integral constant c is equal to 2 sin x minus of minus positive 3 cos x plus 4 tan x minus of minus positive 5 cot x plus integral constant c. Number 2, second problem, sin power 3x. Sin power 3x. Sin power 3x. We know that first let I is equal to integral sin cube x dx. We know that sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Now 4 sin cube x is equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x. 1 by 4 into 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Now integral I is equal to sin cube x dx is given. Now integral sin cube x means 1 by 4 3 sin x minus sin 3x into dx. 1 by 4 is common outside the integral. In this case 3 sin x dx minus again 1 by 4 sin 3x dx is equal to 1 by 4. 3 is a constant number. 3 sin x integration is minus cos x minus 1 by 4. Sin 3x integration is minus cos 3x divided by 3 plus c is equal to minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cos x minus of minus positive 1 by 12 into cos 3x plus c. Hence the result. Sum number 3 cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. That I is equal to integral cos 2x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x. We know that cos 2x means cos square x minus sin square x. I becomes integral cos 2x means cos square x minus sin square x plus 2 sin square x divided by cos square x into dx is equal to cos square x. 2 sin square x minus sin square x is sin square x divided by cos square x into dx. We know that cos square x plus sin square x is 1. So 1 by cos square x into dx. So integral secant square x dx. Integral secant square x is ordinary formula tan x plus c. Next, sum number 4. 1 divided by sin square x plus cos square x. Let I is equal to sin square x into cos square x. I becomes sin square x cos square x dx. We know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Apply the numerator once equal to sin square x plus cos square x. I becomes sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x into dx is equal to numerator 2 parts, denominator 1. Therefore 1 by denominator, second by denominator. So I becomes dx divided by cos square x plus dx divided by sin square x. Now integrating dx divided by cos square x is 1 by cos square x is secant square x. So secant square x dx plus 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x. Now integral secant square x dx is tan x plus cosecant square x dx is minus cot x plus integral constant c. Now tan x plus into minus is minus cot x plus c. Integration by parts. Integration by parts. Only one formula. Integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Number 1. Integrate the following. Integrate the following with respect to x. Number 1. X e to the power of minus x. Let I is equal to x e to the power of minus x integral dx. Okay. Read integral x e to the power of minus x dx. Now this can be written as u dv formatted. First as u x e to the power of minus x dx means differentiation of minus e to the power of minus x. Now expanding this, differentiation of minus e to the power of minus x is minus e to the power of minus x into minus 1. This means e to the power of minus x. E to the power of minus x integral means dx. Okay. Now apply u dv format. U is x, v is minus e to the power of minus x. Take u is equal to x, v is equal to minus e to the power of minus x. Now I becomes integral x e to the power of minus x dx is equal to uv x minus e to the power of minus x minus integral v. V is minus e to the power of minus x into du is dx. This means x minus e to the power of minus x minus of minus positive e to the power of minus x into dx. E to the power of minus x into dx. Now minus x e to the power of minus x. This means plus e to the power of minus x divided by minus 1 plus c. This means minus x e to the power of minus x minus e to the power of minus x plus integral constant c. Common minus e to the power of minus x minus e to the power of minus x. Remaining part x plus 1 plus integral constant c. Hence integral x e to the power of minus x dx is equal to minus e to the power of minus x x plus 1 plus c for 3 log x. This means let I is equal to integral log x dx. U dv format is equal to u is log x, v is u is log x, v is x, uv log x into v is x minus integral x differentiation of log x dv is equal to AB product means BA is same, so x log x minus integral x log x means differentiation of log x is 1 by x into dx. This and this are cancelled, we get x log x minus integral dx. Integral dx is x, therefore x log x minus x plus c. Common, take first term, common x, so x into log x minus 1 plus c. Next, question number 4, x log x. Let I is equal to integral x log x into dx is equal to integral log x. X dx can be written in the form of differentiation of x square divided by 2. Now differentiate x square by 2, 1 by 2 into 2x dx. 2 and 2 are cancelled, we get x dx is the previous one. X dx is the previous one. Now u is equal to log x. V is equal to x square divided by 2. U is log x, V is x square divided by 2. Formula integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Therefore I is equal to integral x log x d of x square by 2 is equal to uv log x into x square divided by 2 minus integral x square divided by 2 differentiation of log x d of log x uv minus integral v du is equal to x square log x divided by 2 minus 1 by 2 into integral x differentiation of log x is 1 by x into dx. So x cancel, we get by 2 differentiation of log x. X square means x into x. Differentiation of log x means 1 by x into dx. X cancel, we get x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx. Next line, x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 integral x dx means x square by 2. X square divided by 2 plus integral constant c. Now common x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 plus integral constant c. Now take LCM to x square divided by 2 log x minus 1 divided by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 therefore x square divided by 4 2 log x minus 1 plus c. Hence the result. Next question number 6 x power 5 a to the power of x square. Let I is equal to integral x power 5 a to the power of x square dx. Put x square is equal to t. X square is equal to t. 2x differentiate both sides. X with respect to t we have 2x dx is equal to dt. So I becomes x dx. X dx is equal to dt divided by 2. The given integral becomes x to the power of 5 a to the power of x square into dx. The x to the power of 5 means x into x square whole square into a to the power of x square dx. This means put x square is equal to t. Therefore this and this are x dx. X dx is dt by 2. Therefore t square integral t square a to the power of t x square whole square is t square, a to the power of x square is e to the power of t. X dx means dt divided by 2. Now 1 by 2 is constant outside the integral t square a to the power of t dt is equal to 1 by 2 integral t square. E to the power of t dt means differentiation of e to the power of t. Differentiate e to the power of t, e to the power of t dt. Therefore there is no change. Okay. Next 1 by 2 integral t square. U is t square. V is e to the power of t. So uv minus integral v du. uv t square e to the power of t minus integral v du. V is e to the power of t. E is 2t. T square differentiation 2t dt is equal to 1 by 2 of t square e to the power of t minus 2 is a constant number outside the integral e to the power of t dt. Now e to the power of t dt means differentiation of e to the power of t is equal to 1 by 2 t square e to the power of t minus 2 into integral t differentiation of e to the power of t. Differentiation of e to the power of t means e to the power of t dt. There is no changing. Next line of into t square e to the power of t minus 2 into again u dv format. So uv t e to the power of t minus integral v e to the power of t dt plus c is equal to 1 by 2 a t square e to the power of t minus 2t e to the power of t minus of minus plus 2 into e to the power of t dt plus one integral constant c is equal to 1 by 2 t square e to the power of t minus 2t e to the power of t plus 2 into e to the power of t dt. Integrating we get e to the power of t plus c is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power of t t square. Interchanging, there is no changes, minus 2t e to the power of t plus 2 into e to the power of t plus c. Now common e to the power of t 1 by 2 into e to the power of t t square minus 2t plus 2 plus c. Now we have to take t is equal to x square. Therefore 1 by 2 e to the power of x square. X square whole square is x power 4 minus x square 2 into x square plus 2 plus c. Hence x power 5 e to the power of x square dx is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power of x square x power 4 minus 2x square plus 2 plus c. Hence the result. Today homework ex number 2.4 sum number 5. Ex number 2.5 sum number 2 and 5. Study well. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.